Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video about Floorplanner. And in this video I'm going to introduce this software, this online tool, extremely interesting if you want to work with interior design for personal use or for professional use. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is what is the interest to use Floorplanner and also the pricing. And after we'll enter directly in the dashboard to see how you can start with some basic features. So Floorplanner, 2D and 3D floor plan, fast and easy. So what does it mean? It means directly you can create a 2D plane and you can have the real view in just one click. You can change 2D to 3D. Something very important also, you have a huge library of image, very huge library classified in different categories, and it is extremely convenient tools. So if you want to create interior design with a normal 3D modeling tools like, I don't know, maybe SketchUp, maybe Blender, maybe Tinkercad, maybe all this type of tools. It can be, yes, it can be also Vectari or this type of tool. It will be extremely long because it is not for interior design. Here, everything is made for interior design. You can also work with outdoor design, and this is why it's extremely convenient. If I just click here for Woo, here at the beginning in just Explore, and you can find the main features. Creating a floor plane has never been easier. Draw 2D floor plane within minutes. A library with over 150,000 items in 3D. Switch to 3D with one click. Grid looking images with ease. Share your plane visa with the cloud. Yes, it is exactly what represents Floorplanner. For who is using Floorplanner? You can use for personal use if you just want to create your future house or you want to create your future apartment, different type of things. Yes, Floorplanner can be very great. It can be also very great for interior design. So if people want to work as a professional interior designer, it can be stylist and they want to have a convenient tools, not expensive, very affordable and also extremely useful. Yes, this tool can be great to make different type of render. After, it's possible also for real estate, furniture retails or education. I think it is the best for personal use and interior design use for a professional. Now let's take a glance about the pricing. You have different type of pricing. First, you need to understand you have something perfectly free with full editor functionality, full library and export image in 2D in 3D, but just in low resolution with a basic version for $0. This is a free version. After you have the plus version, it is $5 per month. You need to understand it works with a credit system. So here you will have include 4 credits per month, and you will be able to exploring image with a time lock, and you have also the favorite item list. And inside you will have 4 credits if you want to export your work in a better resolution. And you have also the Pro version, create and reuse your own template, room type, preset and collection. $29 per month, and you have 30 credit, because you can buy credit and not take any subscription and just take credit for different reasons, like to have a render in a better resolution. Here $29 per month. You have also, moreover, you can add custom templates, runtime sets, create your own rune style, and you have 30 credit available. And if you want to pay extra credit, it will be less expensive. So this is the first things to understand. After you have different type of information, if I just come back here about the company pricing, I'm not going to enter too much in details. It's just that you have different level of credits and it is more for company. Here it is a project level. So by default, you can create a project with only one level. So it means one floor. If you want to add another level, you will have to pay credit. Here it's a great summary about what you can have for credit. So for free, you will be able to export only in SD. If you pay 2 credit, you have a 3D export in SD and 2D export in HD. For 5 credit per project, just per project, it's not just for one image, it's just for a complete project, and after you can export multiple images. You have HD, 5 credit, 10 credit 4K, 20 credit 8K per project. So for free, this is a summary. For free, you can use all the tools that you want, and for free you can have one project for one floor, one design, and the images can be exported from this project in SD quality, so it means 960 pixels by 540 pixels. All export of a SD Light project have a Floorplanner watermark, so when you export you will have this watermark. If it's just for personal use, it is not a problem, but yes, if it's for interior stylist, designer, it is better to buy credit. And you have additional upgrade, and you will have the credit system I'm going to show you after. Pricing, so this is a project level. If you want to create another levels, you need to buy credit also. Now let's take a glance about the credit system. Our credit system, standard project level 1 on Floorplanner are fully functional and free, but to unlock better export options, multiple floor or specific publish options, you need credit. Everything is summary here also. This credit can be used to upgrade project to a higher project level, so you need multiple floor. Each upgrade costs a center number of credits. This is a one-time fee per project. Once you have upgraded a project, it will stay upgraded forever. Credit can be purchased with or without a subscription. And this is the price of the credit. 5 credit, $5.99. 10 credit, $9.99. 30 credit, $29.99. And 100 credit, $89.99. Credit can be purchased with or without a subscription, so you can just take credit without to take any subscriptions. And credit update your project. You can find the number of credit depending of the quality of the exportation. So if you want to sign up, you just click sign up for free, you enter your address, emails, and after you can log in every time to your account. And I'm arriving to my account. So first things to do, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to continue to follow me. A lot of content about graphic design and all these type of things. And if you want to learn more, first link on the description, the complete course, Floorplanner is available. So if you want to learn this online tool, if you want to master everything to create your interior design, but also open to outdoor design, the first link on the description will give you all the information that you need. Complete course, nice structure, to have a logical way of learning and perfectly master fast this software Floorplanner. So everything is on the first link on the description. So when you arrive here, Floorplanner, the first thing that you can do is to create a project. After you will be able to manage your project here, they will appear on this area. Create a project. When you create a project, you can change the name. I'm just going to type project. And if it's for a specific location, you can directly enter more information, and I can start a project. You have 3 types of start that you can use. Empty plane, upload image as a reference image, and you have room wizard, so directly you can create a room and you can let the software fully furnish the room. Here we are going to start with empty plane. We use this the most of the time, and we can arrive to this interface. When we arrive to this interface, you can see in the center we'll be able to create the modelization, the modeling. When you go on the left, you have different tools. So here it is all the things that you need about your main design. Here you have different tools to draw rooms, draw wall, draw surface, place door. After you can add more information, you can add furnitures, You can also add colors, you can add materials, and you can see your different exportation of your project. So what is the aim? The aim is to click on one of these tools and you can draw rooms and draw walls. I can click on draw walls and I can start from this point and you can drag and create something. I'm going to show you again because the best things to do is to zoom a little bit. I can start from this point, draw walls, and I can create a wall. You can enter a value on the bottom left corner. I can type 10 and validate and go in this direction. Definitely it's not perfect. I'm going to zoom more, draw walls, click on this point, snap, and I can enter a value. Don't hesitate to zoom if you want to have more precision. I can type 10. Here I can type 6. Here I can go in this direction. I can type 10 again with horizontal. And I can come back here and 6. Oh, oops, I think it's not the best. Let's just come back with this wall, draw walls. I can snap here and I can snap here. So I created something 10 by 6 meter, but I have in my walls, if I click on one of these wall settings, I have a thickness of 15 centimeter and wall height 280 centimeter. After you will be able to continue with wall, but you can also draw rooms. So it means you can go left click and you can draw rooms. You can enter specific value on the top left, on the bottom left corner also. I can click on draw rooms, create another, for example, on this area. I need to do this again because I didn't have too much precision. So draw rooms, left click here and make something like this. And draw rooms, left click here and make something like this. And as you can see, it is convenient. And you can mix 2D and 3D view. So now I can go on 3D and directly I can find a view of my element, just like this. At any moment I can come back to 2D. And that's it. You will be able to place, for example, door. So you can drag and move, for example, a door just like this. When you click on the door, you can invert. You can change the size, you can change a lot of things. You can also able to position window. You can just drag and move a window, position your window. And a lot of things, it's just like this. You just drag and move on your element. So this is why it's perfect for interior design, perfect to earn time, perfect to definitely I have convenient tools for interior design. You will be able also to add furniture, so you can click here, you have a lot of type of furniture that you can use, and take a glance about the number of results. It is unbelievable. You have a lot of things. Everything that you can find on sales, on shops, you can directly find this here. You can also search by brands if you need. And if I take a glance, I go directly on my 3D view. And take a glance, now you have everything in real time. You can use also go inside, and with the arrow tools on the keyboards I can turn around and I can start to see my first sofa, my first window and my first door also. And after I will be able to add materials on the walls, on the ground, to add colors. We can edit all the elements at our convenience with the size, the materials, anything like this. It is definitely a very great tool, perfect. So it is a system where you can create your walls, you can create your different rooms. After you can drag and move materials, drag and move texture, drag and move colors. You can position your window, and at the end you will be able to export your image. So it was just a small introduction to Floorplanner. Other videos are coming to see different features on this software. If you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channels. First link on the description, also the complete course is available. So here is just few tutorials to see why it is interesting to use this software. Few tutorials to discover the software, to have information. Now if you want to learn more, if you want to have a complete course, if you want to have a complete structure to learn perfectly fast Floorplanner. This software, it is on first link on the description, my complete course. Don't forget, I'm an online teacher and I focus all my energy to create the best course as possible. And this is why this course will be also great to learn Floorplanner. So first link on the description. And for our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.